This is how much you need to start your own bakery in Ghana. For the bakery, you are going to need a few things. You're going to need what? An oven. Now you can choose between the what? The deck oven and the local oven, right? Now the deck oven, this is how it looks like, right? And the local oven, this is how it looks like, right? Now the local oven, you can get some for 5,000 Ghana cedis. You need 3 at least, costing 15,000. Now I prefer you buy the deck oven, even though it's very much expensive. Why? Because it distributes the heat evenly on the bread. You understand? Now you're going to need a 50 kg gas cylinder, which costs 2,500 Ghana cedis. 2 will be 5,000. You're going to need a spiral mixer. This is how the spiral mixer looks like. You're going to need a stainless rack, for cooling the bread. You're going to need a cooling fan. You're going to need a stainless table for cutting the dough. You get them around these prices. Now you're going to need an analog scale to weigh the dough. You're going to need a freezer as well. You're going to also need an industrial extractor. This is to remove all the heat and smoke from the baking area. Right? Now all these, if you don't use the local oven, it's going to cost you 109,550. Right? If you use the local oven, it's going to cost very less. You are going to need some ingredients as well. Now for these ingredients, I'll advise you budget 10,000 Ghana cedis for these ingredients. So you see the estimate I just did, I've done same for 20 other businesses. All you have to do is go to my bio, click on the link, and then you'll have to get it.